Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Agency Letter to Child's Mom. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so as you all can see on the screen, this is a letter that one of my ox that gave me the gift, his child's mom received this letter from the agency, right? So we're going to go over this letter right here and, catch the agency in the lie with the games they play, okay? Because what they say in this letter is far from the truth. So this is more proof, before January is over with, that, we provide more evidence, back to back to back, just proof, proof after proof after proof. So, what's the best way to end January is to show more proof, okay? So, as I told you all, January was a prosperous month. So, we're going to keep this thing moving, all right? So, as you all can see on the screen, this is say January 19th, 2019. This month, this year, right? And my aunt, he just sent me this letter, okay? Because his child's mom just sent it to him. And she's wondering what's going on, basically, okay? So, as you can see, it says CSE, case number, I crossed that out. Custodial party, I crossed that out. Non-custodial party, I crossed majority of his name out, just left the last two letters, which is AZ at the end of his last name. Court case number, crossed that out. So, what I need you all to remember is the AZ at the last name of the non-custodial parent and this date at the top, which is January 19, 2019, okay? So now let's read over the letter that the agency sent to his child's mom. It states, Dear blank, this office has an open child support case for the child/children listed below. Cross the child name out. Then it states, we are required to gather information on the non-custodial parent to establish paternity, obtain an enforceable child support order, or enforce a child support order. Your case may meet one of these criteria. Then it states, at this time, we do not have enough information to identify or locate the non-custodial parent. Now, my question is this. If they've been sending him correspondence and we've been responding back to those correspondence, why are they sending his child's mom a letter saying that they can't find him? The games that they play, man. The games that they play. And we're going to prove that we've been sending them correspondence. And we're going to show you when the last correspondence that we sent to them, what date did they sign for it. And we're going to see, do it add up to, or was it before the date that they sent this letter out, okay? To further prove that they know what's going on, okay? We just got to stand up to these people, man. Continue to fight. Don't quit. Don't stop, okay? But let's continue. It states, if you have any new information regarding the whereabouts of the non-custodial parent, please provide this to us by using one of the following methods. So now as you all can see, these people who are blatantly trying to say that they don't know where he at, which is a complete lie. They sent him documentation that he sent to me so we can respond back to it. And then we responded back to it. Now all of a sudden they can't find him. And we're going to prove that we responded back to him because I'm going to show you all real quick, okay? So now as you all can see, that's a female thumb at the bottom left-hand corner. So she took a picture of it and sent it to him like I told y'all. So now let's further prove, okay, that we sent documentation off. And when did they receive it? And we see this letter was written January 19, 2019. And like I told you, the last two letters of the non-custodial parent name is AZ. So, without further ado, let's further prove that we sent them documentation off because they sent him documentation to his house. But now all of a sudden, they don't know where he's at. So let's prove that. Okay, so now as you all can see, this is a text message between me and my aunt that was labeled the non-custodial parent on that document that was sent to his child's mom. As you can see, AZ, the last two letters of his name. Okay, he sent me this text message January 17th, right? Telling me that they received the letters last Friday. Green slips came back to me today. Thanks again, Mr. Parks. I'm sorry, Monday. So again, they received the documentation on January 14th, 2019, as it states on the green card. Okay? He sent me this text message on January the 17th. Okay? The letter wasn't written up to his child's mom until January the 19th after they received this documentation on January the 14th. So again, further proving the games they play. So for them to say they don't know where he's at, that's a lie. Because we know that they know exactly where he's at because we are responding back to every correspondence that they send to him. So now all of a sudden they're telling his child's mom that they can't find him. Why is that? Because they're trying to find a way to get out of giving her any type of support and make it seem as though she's trying to not tell them where he's located. When they know exactly where he's located at and they know that he's responding because we have proof of the responses right here. Okay? So again, let's go back to that letter. Again, it states, see, the letter was written January 19th, 2019. The non-custodial parent, last two letters again, is AZ. And they're claiming for the last time that second paragraph, at this time, we do not have enough information to identify or locate the non-custodial parent. If you have any new information regarding the whereabouts of the non-custodial parent, please provide this to us by using one of the following methods. So again, more facts, more proof, more truth. Okay? So, if you all need my help, hit me up in my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Like I tell you all, it's not an easy fight, but it's a fight worth fighting. Okay? It's a fight worth fighting. So that's all I'm going to do for today. You all be blessed. Shalom.